Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through my process of how I sublimate t-shirts. The first thing you're going to want to do is to ensure that whatever you're sublimating has at least 50% polyester. The shirt that I'm using today is a 50-50 cotton polyester mix that I got from Jiffy Shirts. Now you're going to want to head over to Canva so we can create a template for our design. From here I chose a template that is 8.5 by 11 inches as that is the dimensions of the paper that I'm going to be printing on. For the design I have here today, I bought it from Creative Fabrica and I uploaded it to Canva, and now we're just going to be dragging it onto the canvas and sizing it to however big or small you want it to be when it's printed. You can do this in Canva or when you're printing, but you're going to want to be sure that you flip or mirror your image. Once I have my design where I want it to be, I'm going to go download it as a PDF print, and I'm going to change the color profile to CMYK and download the PDF. Once you open up the PDF file, you'll want to make sure all your printer settings are correct and you can go ahead and print. While my design is printing out, I like to go ahead and heat up my heat press. I use the Cricut Easy Press 2, and I always have the same settings, 360 degrees Fahrenheit at 60 seconds. Before I sublimate my design, I like to go ahead and preheat the material just to remove any excess wrinkles or moisture that might still be in the fabric. Now we're going to get ready to place the design on the shirt. To get it center, I just use this t-shirt alignment tool that I got from Amazon. Here I applied my heat transfer tape to keep the design in place, and now I'm going to be cutting a piece off of butcher paper. This helps protect the heat press from any sublimation that might bleed through from the paper, as well as yellowing marks from the heat press. Now we can go ahead and apply the heat press to the shirt for 60 seconds. And then I usually just do a hot peel, as it really doesn't matter with sublimation. But yeah, this is how it turned out, and I really enjoy how this design turned out on this shirt. Let me know if you guys like this video, if I should do more, and thank you very much for watching. Bye!